Good day to everybody. Today there will be something we'll be bringing back to the front burner. This is an issue in Igbo Okrika. We spoke about the Igbo people of Okrika last month. We were talking about how they are being degraded because of their Igbo language. They are being neglected in Okrika local government area of Rivers State. Today we'll be going back to that issue because most of the youth are still complaining that the government has not done anything about their situation. They have not seen electricity in Upujago for close to 30 years now, and the youths are complaining about this bitterly. They are begging on well-meaning individuals who can come to their assistance to come and help them to get electricity to their community. We'll see some